Be honest. How many hours do you truly waste on assignments every single week? Is it 3, 5, or maybe even 10? We've all been there, staring at a blinking cursor for hours, wondering where the time went. What if I told you that those late nights and endless stress could be cut in half? What if you could spend less time on the repetitive busy work and more time actually mastering the concepts that matter for your career? In this video, I'm showing you the smart way to use AI, not for cheating, but for mastering your assignments in record time. This is about total academic efficiency. We're going to build a workflow that makes you unstoppable. We're going far beyond the basics. This is the complete 11-minute masterclass used by top-tier students to stay ahead of the curve. If you want to study smarter and finish faster, stay tuned for every second. Welcome to Growth AI Technologies. Our mission is simple: to help you use AI for productivity and future-proofing your academic and professional career in a world that is changing faster than ever. If you're a student who wants to study smarter and even start building an online income while you learn, you are in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications right now. Now let's break down the masterclass into 9 actionable steps, including a special deep dive into STEM and coding. Grab your notebook, because we are going deep. Let's start with the foundation. Research. Step 1. Deep research. Most students think research means opening 10 tabs on Google and getting lost in the noise. That is the old, slow way that leads to burnout. We're going to use AI as a high-speed filter. Instead, use tools like Perplexity AI to summarize complex topics into high-level bullet points. Ask for the top 5 academic debates or foundational theories in your specific subject area. This gives you a map. The goal here isn't just to find the final answer. It's to understand the landscape of the topic. By getting a summary first, you know exactly what to look for when you do go to your textbook or primary sources. By understanding the foundations in 5 minutes, you avoid wasting 2 hours on articles that aren't even relevant to your assignment prompt. This is the difference between working hard and working smart. That's step 1. Step 2. Structural mastery. Never start with a blank page. Blank pages are the primary cause of writer's block and hours of wasted time. Before you write a single sentence, you need a frame to hold your ideas. Use AI to generate what I call a reverse outline. Feed it your primary sources or your rough notes and ask it to build a logical flow. Ask, what is the most persuasive order for these 6 key points? And let it organize the chaos. This ensures your assignment isn't just a collection of random facts, but a coherent, logical argument. A strong structure is often 50% of the grading criteria for high-scoring essays. Don't skip this part. When you have a detailed blueprint for your assignment, the actual writing becomes as simple as filling in the blanks. You're no longer wondering what to say next. You just follow the path you've already paved. Step 3. The hybrid writing phase. This is where most students fail. They let the AI write everything, which is a massive mistake. Your unique voice and perspective are what get you the top marks. AI can't replace you. AI-written text lacks your unique style and often sounds repetitive and hollow. Teachers and university algorithms can spot it easily. You need to keep the human in the loop to maintain credibility and quality. Instead, write your first draft in simple, rough English. Don't worry about perfection or grammar yet. Just get your thoughts down as they come. Then, use AI as a polishing partner to refine and elevate those ideas. Think of it as a collaboration. You provide the ideas, the soul, and the facts. The AI provides the clarity, the flow, and the professional vocabulary that takes your work to the next level. This is the hybrid way. Step 4. STEM and coding mastery. For my CSE students and science majors, AI is a superpower. But don't just ask for the code. That won't help you in an exam. Ask the AI to explain the logic behind an algorithm. Ask, explain this big O notation with a real-world analogy, or debug this block and tell me why my logic failed. Use AI to become a better problem solver, not just a person who copy-pastes functions. That's the smart CSE path. This approach ensures you actually understand the why behind the what. When the exam comes, you'll be ready because you used AI as a tutor, not a crutch. This alone will save you dozens of hours of frustration. Step 5. Academic polishing. Once your hybrid draft is finished, it's time to make it shine. This is where you transform your casual, rough draft into a professional, academic paper that demands respect. Ask the AI, identify any logical fallacies in my conclusion, or suggest more formal transitions between these two sections. This is high-level editing that used to take hours, now done in seconds with precision. For our international students, especially in Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, this is a total game changer. It bridges the gap between your brilliant thoughts and the formal academic English required by global universities. Step 6. Visualizing data. If your assignment requires a presentation, a poster, or a chart, don't waste your weekend on manual layout and design. Let AI handle the heavy lifting while you focus on the content. Tools like Gamma or Canva's AI features can turn your document into a stunning professional slide deck in under a minute. Your only job is to review, refine, and add that final personal touch to the design. Now you have a world-class presentation and a top-tier assignment, all finished while your classmates are still struggling with their first 3 slides. You are officially ahead of the competition. Step 7. Advanced prompting. Most students use vague prompts. They ask AI to write about climate change. That is a recipe for a generic, low-grade assignment. You need to learn the art of the specific prompt. Instead, give the AI a persona. Tell it, you are a senior analyst at a global logistics firm. Critique this supply chain proposal for sustainability gaps. When you give it a role, the quality of the output skyrockets. When you give the AI a clear role, a specific audience, and a detailed context, the quality of the output improves by 300%. Don't just ask questions. Set the stage and define the goal clearly for the best results. Step 8. Ethics and detection. This is the most important part of the video. Using AI lazily isn't just risky, it's the fastest way to fail your future self. Ethics matter more than ever in the age of automation. If you just copy and paste, you aren't actually learning. And if you don't learn, you won't survive the exams or the job interviews that follow. AI detectors are getting better, but your human brain is your best defense. Use AI as a mentor, a tool for clarity, and a productivity booster. The goal is to make you smarter, not just to get a grade. Smart students use AI ethically to augment their own intelligence, not replace it. Step 9. The live case study. Let's walk through a real-world example. Imagine you have a 3,000-word research paper on sustainable supply chains due in just 48 hours. Usually, that is pure panic time. Hour 1. Use Perplexity to find the leading 3 companies. Hour 2. Ask ChatGPT to summarize their 2023 sustainability reports for specific data points. Now you have the raw facts ready to go. No more searching. Hour 3. Generate the reverse outline. Hour 4 through 6. Write your rough draft using your own words, guided by that structure. By the end of day 1, you have 2,000 high-quality words ready for review. On day 2, you spend just 2 hours polishing with AI and 1 hour on your presentation slides. Total time, 9 hours instead of 25. That's the power of the smart workflow. You've saved 16 hours of your life. This isn't just about school. The world is changing. Companies aren't hiring people who can just search. They're hiring people who can prompt, manage, and leverage AI effectively to solve complex problems. By mastering these skills now, you are future-proofing your entire career. You're learning how to be a manager of digital intelligence. That is the true goal of growth AI technologies. Smart productivity for the win. So, to recap the formula: research, outline, hybrid writing, STEM logic, polishing, visualization, advanced prompting, ethics, and the live case study. Follow this every time to stay ahead. Consistency is key. The more you use this smart workflow, the faster and better you'll become. You'll go from saving a few hours to reclaiming 10 or 20 hours every single week. Imagine what you can do with that time. AI will not replace students, but students who use AI smartly will replace those who don't. Which one are you going to be? The choice is entirely yours. Make it count. If you're ready to study smart and lead the future, comment below. I study smart with AI. I'll be replying to as many of you as I can to keep this community moving forward. Let's do this together. Subscribe to Growth AI Technologies for more deep dives into productivity, AI tools, and building your future. I'm your host, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay inspired and stay grinding.